The Vice President of India, Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan, arrived in Agartala today for a high-profile two-day official visit. Upon his arrival at Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport, the Vice President was accorded a ceremonial welcome. He was received by Sri Indra Sena Reddy Nallu, Governor of Tripura, CM Dr. Manik Saha, and MP Rajib Bhattacharjee. This marks his maiden visit to Tripura since assuming office, following successful legs of his northeast tour in Nagaland and Mizoram. The Vice President was received with a rousing reception at the Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport this afternoon. Prominent figures present at the tarmac included Sri Indra Sena Reddy Nallu, Governor of Tripura, Professor Dr. Manik Saha, Chief Minister of Tripura, Rajib Bhattacharjee, Rajya Sabha MP, senior cabinet ministers and administrative officials. The Vice President began his visit with a spiritual journey to Udaipur, where he offered prayers at the Tripura Sundari temple. On Sunday morning, the schedule includes a visit to the Alwat Eka War Memorial at Litu Bagan to pay floral tributes to the heroes of the 1971 war. Serving as the chief guest, the Vice President will address the 14th convocation of Tripura University in Surya Maninagar, where degrees will be conferred upon the 2024 and 2025 batches. In the afternoon, he will visit the International Trade and Fair Center in Hapania to interact with self-help group members and Lakpadi Didis.
Sambangat! Bagal! Chap! त्रिपुरा राज्य राइफल्स के सम्मान घाट पर एक जीओ 100 अन्य आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान।
Extensive security measures and traffic regulations have been implemented across Agartala and the airport corridor. Following his interaction at Hapania, the Vice President is scheduled to depart for New Delhi on a special flight on Sunday evening. Reporter by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.